Note, this video will use methods covered in the previous tutorial and has a fast pace. In the previous video we covered the Pandas data frame. In this video we will use the data frame on an Excel file and answer some questions about the data. We will use fictional employee data made available via IBM Watson Analytics. Link to the file is in the description. The Excel file looks something like this. We have columns with data such as employee number, gender, age, etc. Let's import Pandas, read the Excel file and create a data frame like this. Let's quickly take a look at the data using the head function to check if the data frame works. Neat. The value count function is used to count how often a value occurs. We can use another column as an index. Here's an example. Let's say we want to know how many employees there are per department. The values are the amount of employees and we will use the department as the index. This function can also be used to tell us what the rate of a certain value is. So if we want to know the split between male and female, we need to pass the keyword argument or name value pair with the name normalize and set the value as true. The mean function helps with returning the average value. If we want to know the average years an employee spends in this company, we can apply the method like this. We've seen the describe function before when we applied it to a whole data frame, but the describe function can also be applied to a single column. This is handy if you're doing exploratory data analysis and need to know more about a column. Finally, the sort method can be used to rearrange a column ascending or descending. This is particularly handy if you need to find the lowest or highest value. For instance, finding the youngest or oldest employee. Keep an eye out for the next video where we will continue using Pandas for data analysis.